Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, long via Chino, 4-hour Tesla chart. Remember they announced the 5-for-1 stock split after the close yesterday. We rallied after hours. First target was around this 1500 level, this nice trend line, and then next major target 1556, which we closed just below. We spiked through it. People were wondering if they didn't want to wait for a close of the bar, what they do. Here's a good example. So watching the 15-minute. So here's the first target. All right. So, I mean, however you got long, or maybe you hit that first target, then you were looking to get long. Well, here's a great way. If you're not waiting for the close on a longer term chart, you can watch for the level to be broken and then retest it and hold in a rotation up. So we broke the level, retested it right here, and rotated back up. That is a really solid entry pattern, especially with a rising rotation zone. Here's an example of one that didn't hold. So it broke the level, came back down, closed on it, went through it. Now it's coming back up, but it's already on the other side. So this one, if this held and rotated up here, would have been a suitable entry. This is not, unless it can clearly show again it can get back above the level. This is a rotation zone, but I'd be waiting until it shows it can get back above 1556 because it did break the prior target level. So that's just a couple things if you don't want to wait for the longer term close. So this is done for now. I'm going to take that line off. Again, 1556 is the first key level we'll be watching starting on the open. If we rally through there, we're going to watch this about 1614. Then if we get up there, you can also, we don't technically have a pausing bar yet on the 4-hour. On the 1-hour we do. So this is a little aggressive. We want to go from, there's the key low. It'd be better to have a pausing bar at the 4, but these are the next levels that we're looking for higher. So I'll go back to that 4-hour. So look at that. Look at that. We were watching 1614, the prior 12.5% retracement. We have a cluster 1612 to 1640, 1614, not 1640. So that's the next level that I'd really be watching on a continued rally. Then 1639, which is right in line with this close and just above this gap open. So that's another really good level. So those are the two levels I'd be watching tomorrow on a continued rally. If you did get above there, watch for this most recent swing high, which a lot of people are targeting, which is, what's that high? 1688.95. So that's the next major level to watch for. Now, if we drop, looks like, yep, we got the first cross the rotation zone. I'd be first watching this support level. You can look the 1-hour. 1-hour, we got the rotation zone. See this prior resistance shelf right across here, pulling into the rotation zone. So right back around 1500 is the first level of support. Beyond that, I go to that 4-hour. It's the 1500. If we did drop below, I'd probably start watching about 1470. First cross rotation zone with the gap open today. And then major support back down around 1432 to 1416. Daily chart. The rotation zone went flatter, but did not cross. So back in bullish mode on the daily, bullish mode on the 4-hour, bullish mode on the weekly. I'll caveat that by saying, we still have to get above this 1556 level on a closing basis first off, and then we really have to get above this most recent swing high before I get into super bullish mode. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.